It is Hello Kitty time. Let's see what we're making today. Ooh, donuts. Oh my gosh. They gave me 4. That's cool. Normally, I feel like we get, what, 2? So we have 2 that have holes in it and 2 that kind of look like the jelly-filled ones. That's fun. Kind of random, only one's chocolate, though. What else do we have? Adorable. We have 3 pink, 3 red bows. These are tongs. They didn't give us a spreader or anything, so that's interesting. Also have, oh, those are adorable. A few different colors in there. Looks like pink and gold, or like a peach color maybe. This is the part that snaps into the capsule to make a display case. They did give us a nozzle for a resin. Love that. And, oh, that's so cute. It has a pink bow, and it's a little display case to put the donuts inside once you have them decorated. Here's the checklist. It only shows 1 of each. Shows 3 there, 3 there, and on the back it only shows 3. So I'm wondering if one of these solid ones is an extra or a mistake. Maybe. And there is some Hello Kitty branded tissue paper in there, and this was in there as well. So that's interesting. It also shows they like decorated half on one of them. Guess you can do whatever you want. Looks like the full one's done. It's hard to tell though. Could barely see them in the background. We're gonna just go with it and see what we come up with. So I think I might do this one first and open up the bows and get the cap on here. These are really fun. The last one that I need is a cream soda, and I do have that one, so I will be building it on my channel. And then I have the full series. Okay. This feels very hard to squeeze. Oh, and that came out really fast. I'm gonna take my toothpick, I think, and kind of drag it around. Really don't need too much icing. I guess you can do the whole thing, but that's pretty unnecessary. Just gonna do the top, or you can like dip them. I think that's what they showed, where half of it's decorated. I think that's cute. Kind of just a light outline of the face. Let's add the bow first, and then we'll put sprinkles. I'm gonna do the pink bow right there. And these are probably gonna come out really fast. You can drop them individually if you want, obviously, but I typically don't do that. But I normally take a toothpick and I'll kind of move them if I want to reposition them. Okay, I'm going to do that other one, and then this time do a red bow, so it's kind of like the opposite of each other. I'm going to do the same thing where I just put like a glob on here and use a toothpick to move it around. I already set the other one outside because sometimes with the donuts, they will kind of run, the icing will run off the side. Even sometimes does it while it's curing, not just when it's sitting there waiting to be put under a light. I think that's pretty cute. You don't want to put too close to the edge because then, yeah, it can run off. And I'm going to turn it where the bigger part of the bow is towards the left. And add sprinkles. I do grab the ones that go rolling off and kind of fill in the gaps with those. Drop them in the general area, then you can move them with a toothpick. There we go. I do have other sprinkles from past sets, but I think I'll just use these. I will do the whole circle and try to even do the ear, but you're not going to want to put too much on here because it's going to run down the center of the donut. I had that happen before and then I didn't like the way it looked. And you can also, if you wanted to, do 2 layers of icing. Put a little down on the ear. Like that. And add a little bit more to the side. Okay, let's do pink. And drop the bow right there. Add a few sprinkles. Or a lot of sprinkles, however many you want. Might put one on the tip of the ear too, since we went ahead and put icing over there. And once you have these situated, you can set it under your UV lamp. Okay, we're going to do a red bow for this one. Drop it there. I took a peek at the other ones that are currently curing, and it looks like they're curing nicely. It doesn't look like the resin's running. Sometimes that happens. Or maybe I've just in the past used too much resin. That's possible too. So I'm gonna move these around and I'll be back to show you what they all look like. I think these turned out really cute. How adorable. I love the sprinkles and the different colors. I think, yeah, super cute. Now we can open up this and put the Hello Kitty doily thing in there. And then place the donuts inside. And again, leave me a comment if you got this one and yours came with 4, because I'm not sure that it was supposed to. See if I can fit them in there and shut it. They're kind of big. They're thick. How cute. Out of 10, I guess I would give this one, maybe a 9. They did a really good job with this series, honestly. I like just about all of them. I think they've turned out great. I am going to put these under the UV for a little bit longer because one of them feels a little sticky. But that is what I have for you today. If you want to see me do the cream soda, or if you missed me make any of them, make sure to subscribe, stay tuned, check out my channel because I have tons on there, and follow me on Facebook because I have all the Miniverse news posted on there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.